Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey Clash Royale fans, ever wish you could play your favorite game on your computer with a bigger screen and better controls? Many people try using Android emulators, but these usually demand something called hardware virtualization, which isn't always available or easy to set up on every PC. Good news though, as we head into 2025, there are fantastic alternative ways to bring Clash Royale to your desktop, bypassing those tricky virtualization requirements entirely. So, what exactly is hardware virtualization? It's a special processor feature that allows your computer to run another operating system like Android much more effectively. Without it, Android emulators would crawl, making Clash Royale almost impossible to enjoy. The challenge is, some older or entry-level PCs might not have this feature, or it could be turned off in your computer's BIOS settings, adding an extra layer of complication for players. For the best experience without hardware virtualization, look no further than cloud gaming services. These platforms run Clash Royale on powerful servers in the cloud, then stream the game's video right to your computer screen. Your PC only needs to display the video and send your keyboard or mouse clicks back to the server, meaning zero virtualization is needed on your end. It's like watching a high-quality video, but you're in control, providing a super smooth gaming experience if your internet is strong. Another straightforward option is screen mirroring. This involves using apps that project your phone's display onto your PC. While you're technically still playing Clash Royale on your phone, you get the huge advantage of seeing it on a much larger monitor. Certain mirroring solutions even let you use your PC's mouse or keyboard for basic controls, making gameplay a bit more comfortable without needing any complicated setup on your computer. So, whether you're looking for a full-fledged PC gaming experience or just want to see your phone game on a bigger screen, there are great ways to play Clash Royale without needing complex hardware virtualization. Cloud gaming services offer a seamless, true PC feel, while screen mirroring provides simplicity for a quick setup. Remember, a stable and fast internet connection is key for both methods to ensure your Clash Royale matches are always smooth and enjoyable. Happy clashing on the big screen!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.